So this is test video number 2. Okay, so I'm not going to play anything. Let's see if YouTube freaks out because uh, essentially I have a thumbnail Fight Club. So I love movies, love analyzing movies, etc. Now a lot of people feel this scene just comes out of the blue and the movie is all over the place in some ways. But we do know that most people don't watch a movie focusing on everything. Also, I do need to point out something very interesting, which this movie is after in the inception of the UFC. Look in the background. You can actually see an octagonal shape on the doors there. Kind of like, at the moment he's going to ask him, the narrator, to fight him, insinuating like a cage fight. Very interesting noticing this because this is the moment he asks him the first time to fight him. And a lot of people are like, but why is he doing that? It's because this whole movie is talking about male masculinity and how it's repressed and stuff. Especially with all the imagery of female-oriented domination over men. And this was years before all the woke stuff, all the lefty stuff started going crazy. So yeah, this scene actually makes a lot of sense because in return for the narrator's fight that he essentially has to earn his stay at Tyler's house, that is actually why he's asking him to fight him, plus to see if he's a man, to let him get that masculine energy out.